In this video, we are going to discuss about hydrogen bonding. Let us see what is hydrogen bonding. Starts with the definition. Hydrogen bond is the bond formed between the hydrogen atom and the highly electronegative atom, like fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen. As you know, the electronegativity is the tendency of an atom to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. In a covalent compound where a bond is existing between the hydrogen atom and highly electronegative atom, there is a possibility that covalent bond can be converted into polar covalent bond. As you know, the polar covalent bond is the bond formed between the two atoms because of unequal sharing of electron. If unequal sharing of electron takes place between the atoms in which the covalent bond is present, then partial positive and partial negative charge is obtained on the atoms, and that results in the formation of a polar covalent bond. As you know, when there is a charge, there will be attraction with the opposite charge. The type of bond formed between that hydrogen atom which is partially positive and the highly electronegative atom of the same or different molecule is considered as hydrogen bonding. Remember that hydrogen bonding is of two types. One is intermolecular hydrogen bonding and the other one is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Before seeing the definition, let us know the meaning of inter and intra, so that it will be easy for you for understanding what actually the intermolecular hydrogen bonding is and intramolecular hydrogen bonding is. If you see here, intra is nothing but within, whereas the inter is nothing but in between. If the hydrogen bonding is present between the two molecules, then that is considered as intermolecular hydrogen bonding. If you see here, hydrogen bonding is existing between the hydrogen atom of this molecule and the highly electronegative atom, that is fluorine, of the adjacent molecule. If the hydrogen bond is present between the two molecules, then that is considered as intermolecular hydrogen bond. Remember, intermolecular hydrogen bonding is the type of hydrogen bonding present between two different molecules. And when it comes to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, as we have seen, intra is nothing but within. Hydrogen bond is present within the molecule, then that is considered as intramolecular hydrogen bonding. The example for intramolecular hydrogen bonding is orthonitrophenol. In orthonitrophenol, because of the high electronegativity of oxygen atom when compared to that of the hydrogen atom, the covalent bond between the hydrogen and oxygen atom get converted into polar covalent bond, which results in the formation of a partial positive charge on hydrogen atom, and this partial positive charge hydrogen atom will form a bond with the adjacent oxygen atom present within the molecule. And as this hydrogen bond is present within the molecule, this is considered as intramolecular hydrogen bond. Whereas if the hydrogen bonding is present between the different molecules, then it is intermolecular hydrogen bond. Remember, hydrogen bond is the type of bond formed between the hydrogen atom and highly electronegative atom of the same or different molecule. If the hydrogen bond is formed between the different molecules, then it is intermolecular hydrogen bond. Whereas if the hydrogen bond is formed within the molecule, then that is considered as intramolecular hydrogen bond.